Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with MK Hardwood Cleaning and Refinishing, and we are in Greensboro, North Carolina. And I just wanted to kind of very briefly go over what we did on this particular project here. As you see, I'm pointing out the floors here. There's a lot of issues, and in the next clip, I'll slow down a little bit and kind of show you more. But first off, you'll notice those scratches that are in the floor. Typically, if those are in the finish, they will come out, and if they're in the hardwood, they will not come out. And the best way to tell is if you have scratches like that in your floor is to take your finger and just kind of rub them. And if you feel an indentation, then it's going to be in the wood. If you don't feel an indentation, then it's probably going to be in the finish. And those typically, like I said, do come out. Light spots like that you're seeing right there, those typically will get fixed and corrected with the finish. Especially with what we did here with these floors, was we did what's called tinning, where we add a little bit of a stain to the finish, and it helps the floors blend a little bit better together. One thing that won't be corrected is, like I said, besides the scratches that are in the wood floor, is those dark spots that you kind of just saw there. Those are typically caused from a number of things. The main thing that they're caused from is from people using a steam mop to clean their floors with, and also a lot of times they'll use something like a mopping bucket to go over the floors. We'd highly recommend you not doing that to your wood floors, just because they cause a lot of issues, not just the dark spots. They can also cause warping and several other issues can be presented whenever you use that method to clean. We have another video. If you go to our Instagram page, you should be able to find it, and it kind of shows you some recommendations, a quick video that shows you some recommendations of what to use when cleaning your wood floors. But I'll get back to our project. For this particular project here, what we started off with was a mopping of the floor, a dust mopping, I should clarify that. Just going over and picking up some of the dirt, and then some of the rooms we actually did a vacuuming of the floors, and just kind of removing some of the dry contaminants before we begin the aggressive cleaning process that you're seeing here in the video. What we're doing here is we're really just going pretty aggressive on the floors, just because we know we are going to refinish them. And so we're not worried about scuffing them up. We actually wanted to scuff up a little bit. That'll help the finish bond to the floors. And Ashton is coming behind me. You'll see in just a few minutes with the auto scrubber, and he's kind of just neutralizing the product that I'm using here on the floor, and just kind of picking up some of the remnants of it. And then after we finish that, we'll make sure the floors are completely dry. And once they're completely dry, then we'll begin our braiding process. And that's where we just kind of scuff up the floors, and this will help the new finish bond to the floors. And we add 2 coats of finish afterwards. And you'll see here in the end of the video, the floors, they look a lot better. It's kind of hard to tell completely because it's at nighttime. This project took us just over 4 hours to do, just because you have to wait an hour after you add the first coat of finish for the finish to dry to put on the second coat. And so you'll see that these floors looked a lot better than what they did before. They're more even, and a lot of those light spots that were in the floors, they came up, like you saw in the video just a second ago in the corner over there. And like I said, we added some tint to this particular floor here. Actually, we did it to the whole house. There's actually 3 bedrooms upstairs that we completed also. But we did that to just to help the floors look a little bit more uniformed and kind of correct some of those lighter issues in the wood. But anyway, if you have any questions, just feel free to leave those in the comment section. If you'd like to reach out to us for us to come by to give you an estimate to have your hardwood floors refinished or even cleaned, we also offer acrylic wax removal, which, by the way, these floors actually had a little bit of acrylic wax, not a lot, and that's another reason we did the aggressive cleaning that we did to remove it. But if you would like us to come by and give you an estimate, if you visit our website at www.mkcleaner.com, you can reach out to us that way. It has our information, or you can also just look us up if you're in the Greensboro surrounding areas, and we'll be happy to come by and give you an estimate and get your hardwood floors straightened out. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'm Seth with MK Hardwood Cleaning and Refinishing. Okay, so the floors are completed. They look a lot better, as you can tell. And this is also going to add a layer of protection to the wood floors for the new renters that will be coming in here shortly, and help these wood floors last for a long time. And don't forget, your floors should be refinished every 5 to 6 years, maybe sooner, depending on how often you use them, if you have kids or pets or things like that. Anyway, again, I'm Seth with MK Hardwood Floor Cleaning and Refinishing. Thanks for watching.